Hey guys, let's go to the beach for a bit. I'm not gonna get into the water now because I forgot my watch. Because it's still, the sun is still a bit up, but the sunset is at 5:30 or something, so I'll go there at 5 or something if I get the chance. First view of the beach after 7-8 years. Everything went under construction again, like renovation construction. Before it was so clean and all, but now again renovation constructions and made it really like construction garbage everywhere. I love this wood deck kind of part. There used to be one hut here for tea and coffee, but that's gone now. Oh, and there's the ocean. Finally, edge of Bangladesh. Finally, I'm on the edge and finally made it to the beach. The longest beach in the world though. I don't know guys, just walking around. Actually, let's see what I can find for lunch. It's quite late though for lunch, but I didn't have any food for last 14, 15, 16, 17 hours now. This road was so awesome, but they're renovating it and making it wider. So probably gonna look awesome again when they completed the construction. Cow. Tuk-tuk or auto rickshaw. Only local people, no foreigners yet. but still really like not really busy, but busy though, because local people uh, have been in lockdown for last 18 months, so now everyone is coming here and relaxing. This is one of the entry point to the beach. Tourist police. That was the private entry beach for the hotel. Private beach. That entry belongs to the Seagull hotel. Cute. Hey guys, this is the one of the entry to the beach. Now entering tourist police, and sea beach shops, seashells, and then other accessories, sunglasses, mainly probably seashell ornaments, both sides of the entrance. Going towards the main road, Kolatuli Road, and this is the scene Burmese Market. This is the scene Burmese Market. Here you guys can find all kinds of Myanmar Burmese products. Like pickles, everything they brings from Myanmar and sells in this Burmese market. That's why it's named Burmese Market. There is probably another Burmese market in other side of the town, but I've been there when I was little, but I don't know if it's still there or not. This is the new Burmese Market, I think. This is also a new road towards the beach. The old roads are over there on the left side. This section is the dried fish section, which is really popular. dried sea fish. Bangladesh dried sea fish is really popular all over the world, and probably like it also gets exported in all over in every corner of the world. Seashell ornaments and home decorations. Holy shit, it's the whole street on this only one side of this street is all the way from start to finish. The whole street is like street hawker and Burmese market, Burmese hawker market, and also the first bit is permanent market. These ones are probably not permanent, but like street hawkers, pavement hawkers. বান্দরবান দেখানো পুরোনো ঠিক হয়নি। আরো করোনা ঠিক হয়নি। আপনি তাহলে 28 তারিখ পর্যন্ত